Welcome to the NavPal Outdoor Application demonstration. In this video, we will discuss what NavPal Outdoor App is, the different components of NavPal, and finally see the functionality of the app in an outdoor demonstration. There exists a large population of blind and visually impaired users who are still dependent on other people for their daily navigation needs. The tools that exist in the current market space are limited and not highly accessible. Of those, some tools are dependent on external hardware or infrastructure provided by the cities. Also, many of these tools are expensive and hence not highly accessible to a larger population. NavPal app is based on an Android operating system. It has a branch architecture that helps extract real-time information about the environment from several sources, giving most accurate information about the route and the surrounding based from generic information service present online, or from pre-recorded data from the user, or finally from trusted user contribution. The users are able to interact with the application via haptic and speech interface modules. The modules give instruction to the users via voice and vibrations, and they take commands and feedbacks from the users via accessible gestures and voice recognition APIs. Based on the user's preference and response, the app calibrates itself for a safe and reliable navigation. While navigating, the users are updated with direction and location information and the sense of the route for helping them localize and remember the path. Now let's start the application for exploring its modules, functionalities, and its performance in an outdoor navigation situation. NavPal application is based on contact destination principle. This means that all the destinations that the user would like to go should be stored in form of contacts within the phone system. So one of the most essential things and the prerequisite things for the NavPal application to work is having contacts with addresses. For the sake of reference and this demonstration, we have added the contact of Natural History Museum in the system. As you can see, the address information of the Natural History Museum has already been provided in this application. Once added the address, the NavPal will automatically parse this address for destination instructions. Once you have added the contact address in your mobile device, you should be ready to launch the NavPal Outdoor App. Upon launching the NavPal app, the app introduces itself to the user, hence notifying that the app has started and all the functions are behaving normally. Soon after the introduction, the app will ask the user to input a mode of transportation he or she would want to take. The current app supports 3 navigation types, which are 1. Walking, 2. Taking a bus, and 3. Taking a cab or car. The user gives their choice via accessible gesture. In this case, a swipe from left to right would confirm a particular transport type, while reverse would eliminate that option. Once the mode of transportation is selected, the users are directed to select a destination by naming a contact name. The contact must have an address field, otherwise the app will not be able to return a destination address. The user speaks the contact name into the app, and the app parses the contact destination from the contact list. Next, the destination location is geocoded with respect to latitude and longitude of the destination. The app next parses the location of the user through GPS and network assistance. Now the app is ready to start the navigation. It would ask the user to go outside and swipe left to right for starting the nav. Let's see each step one at a time. For the sake of this demonstration, we have switched on the accessibility mode. NavPal application is able to work with the accessibility mode or the talkback mode present on most of the smartphone devices. This mode according to our research, is enabled in most of the cell phones or the cellular devices used by the blind and visually impaired users, making NavPal easy and already interacting with the tools that the users currently use. Let's start the NavPal application.
2:20 p.m. Unlock. Apps. Apps page 2 of 3. NavPal.
We are ready to launch the NavPal application now.
Starting NavPal Outdoor application. Getting mode of transportation. Please indicate the mode of transportation. General instructions. To answer yes, swipe left to right. Reverse for no. Option walking.
Now the app wants you to respond whether you want to take option walking or not. Since we are going to walk, we are going to swipe from left to right.
Okay, option walking selected. Opening contacts for destination. Please wait. All contacts read. Instructions to access contact address. Tap the screen when prompted and speak the contact name after the beep.
Okay, now the application is ready for getting the contact destination address. Upon tapping the application, I will take the name of the Natural History Museum that will be our destination for this demonstration. Natural History Museum.
Got the results. Matching result with contact list. General instructions. To answer yes, swipe left to right. Reverse for no. Did you search for Natural History Museum?
And we did search for Natural History Museum as a destination, so I'll swipe from left to right.
Got destination. NavPal Outdoor application. Performs best in outdoor conditions. Please go outside and then start the navigation. General instructions. To answer yes, swipe left to right. Reverse for no. Swipe left to right when ready.
Okay, the NavPal app is now ready for implementing the navigation. It requests the users to go outside and then swipe from left to right. Upon swiping left to right, the user's information, that is the current location, will be parsed in from the GPS and the network providers. Upon parsing the user's origin and the destination instruction that we have already done from the contact stage, a route will be mapped. This route will enable the users to navigate from point A to B, giving different waypoint instructions. Let's go outside to see the navigation. So now we are ready to test and take the trip to Natural History Museum with NavPal application. I have a microphone attached to this phone in one of my ears so that I can hear the instructions properly and avoid the noise from the outdoor environment. I'm starting the navigation now. Okay, now let's start the navigation.
Head north for 20 meters and turn left. Turn left now. Move forward for 30 meters.
So now let's add a breadcrumb over here.
Adding breadcrumb.
So now the breadcrumb interface has started, and now we can record a voice for the breadcrumb.
Please record the message.
Trees over here, look out for shade. And we can move forward. We have added a new waypoint as a breadcrumb over here.
Breadcrumb added.
Let's go.
Move forward for 20 meters. Turn right on Forbes Avenue in 10 meters. Take left on Forbes Avenue in 10 meters. Take left on Forbes Avenue now. Move forward for 0.2 miles on Forbes Avenue. Move forward for 0.1 miles on Forbes Avenue.
Now,
turn left in 20 meters no side.
Rather than taking a left turn, we'll take a right turn for diversion.
Turn left now. Wrong direction. Wrong direction. Wrong direction. Please stop, we are rerouting. Route complete. Move north for 40 meters. Move north for 20-meter direction, no side. Turn left in 20 meter.
Stop here and
Destination is on the right in 5 meter.
We've reached our destination. So now I'm trying to go back to Newell Simon Hall, which is at Carnegie Mellon University, and my workplace. I've stored the contact address with respect to the name called work, and I'll start NavPal as before.
Now, with that said,
Okay, so now I'll say work. We got the results.
Head north and turn left in 35 meter. Turn left now. Approaching breadcrumb.
Trees over here, look out for shade. Already reached our destination.
Destination reached.